Inspection of all inward materials is part of the fabrication process of piping and equipment that are used in oil and gas facilities. Welcome to Hard Hit Engineer. In this video, you will learn what inward material inspection is and what you have to check during the inspection. You will also learn how to prepare the IMIR report. So watch the video till the end. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking subscribe button on the right hand side of your screen. This way you will get a notification of a new video. Let's start with the video. All the raw materials such as pipes, plates, flanges, fittings and the like are inspected at the site store or warehouse before being issued for fabrication. The process of inspecting all incoming materials is known as inward material inspection. It is routine practice and an integral part of a project quality management system. This process confirms that you have received the correct material in the ordered quantity and with the proper documents. It is like checking your online order delivery before using the product. Please note that this is not a product quality inspection but a product verification inspection. Inward material inspection is a two-part process. In the first part, you check the documentation and in the second part, you physically verify the materials. Before moving to field inspection, you must ensure all the required documents are in place. I will mention some of them here for your ready reference. First is Inspection Release Note, which is also known as IRN. The second is the Packing List. Third is Inspection and Test Report such as Material Test Certificate, which is known as MTC, Dimension Report, etc. Fourth is Compliance Certificate. Fifth is the Manufacturing Record Book known as MRB. And the sixth one is the Installation Manual. Now all these documents may not be applicable, such as MRB and manuals are required only for equipment and tag items and not required for piping, electrical and instrument bulk materials. Once you confirm the various documents and certificates acceptability, field verification of materials is done in the second inspection stage. Before moving further on the topic, I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to advance your oil and gas career? You can gain practical knowledge from oil and gas industry experts with our various comprehensive online courses. Please visit my website hardhitengineer.com and accelerate your learning journey. Click the link given in the description and enroll today because that will take your learning further. The idea behind the field inspection is to establish the identification of the material before it issues for fabrication. You have to check the overall material quality such as rusting or paint damage, packaging condition and quantity received. In addition, you must check for transit damage such as dents and broken and damaged items and record all such observations in the report. Positive material identification, also known as a PMI, is carried out for alloy and stainless steel material during field verification. The most important part is to confirm the material's marking with MTC. Once everything meets the requirement, the inspection report of received materials is prepared and the materials are marked with a unique ID to maintain traceability throughout the fabrication. This unique ID is different from the original marking that comes with the product. It is a shorter version that can be easily maintained during the fabrication. Each company has a different method of tracing the material. At the end of the physical verification, damaged or unacceptable materials are quarantined to ensure that only acceptable materials are used in fabrication. Here you can see the sample inward material inspection report for the seamless pipe. This is a generic sample report you may have in the field. Let's see what are the things that you may have to look for while preparing the IMIR report. You have to start by filling in generic things like report number, purchase order number, inspection date and material location. Next is the material type column. This is used to identify the type of material being inspected such as pipe, 90-degree elbow, T, valve, etc. The description column will give you technical detail about the product such as applicable material standards, specifications, and things such as size, thickness, schedule number, and material grade. Commodity codes are short codes used to mention specific material types in the drawing. Include the commodity code for each item received. This code acts as a reference for proper material identification. Next is the name of the supplier. You have to note down the name of the manufacturer or supplier from whom the materials were procured. This information is crucial for traceability and future reference. Purchase order item number indicates the serial number of the material given in the purchase order. The unit of quantity depends on the type of material. It can be meters, numbers, kg, etc. For assembled items such as valves, filters, or instrument items, tags are also listed in the IMIR report. MTC and heat numbers for the materials must be recorded on this report. MTC will let you know that the material has undergone appropriate testing and meets the required quality standards. Heat number is a unique identification number assigned to a specific batch or lot of material during its manufacturing process. You also have to verify the heat number with TC physically. The last thing to add to this report is the unique ID on each item. This marking is preserved throughout the fabrication process. This marking helps trace the material during the fabrication and installation processes, ensuring proper material usage. For example, if you cut a piece of pipe, you have to transfer the marking to another part before cutting the pipe. Usually, this marking transfer is done during cutout marking inspection. I will cover more on this in the upcoming video. If you want to learn more about piping components, you can check out my full course which will make you confident while working in piping fabrication. This is the end of the video. Please visit my website hardhatengineer.com to learn more about piping. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, like and share this video with your friends. See you soon with the next video. Goodbye, take care.